high, the sky is so wide, secrets hidden in the night. Glowing stars and sparkling skies, magic twinkles in your eyes. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle bright with gentle light, guide the dreamers through the night. Sailing on the breeze so slow to the moon's soft silver glow. Planets dance and comets zoom, racing past the evening gloom. Shooting stars go zipping by, painting sparkles in the sky. Sleepy owls begin to hoot. Foxes prance in velvet boots. Stars above know every name. Whisper dreams that call your name. Close your eyes. The night is near. Songs of starlight you can hear. Softly now, the sky's delight, wrapping you in peaceful night. Thank you for this starry ride. Please like, share, and then subscribe. More to come, so don't be far. Shine on, little superstar.